803 Venetian Way in Gulf Breeze. It's about 10:30 in the morning. It's about 90 degrees, kind of hot today. And I'll give you a tour of the outside and we'll go inside in just a little bit. Beautiful home, big lot. We've had a lot of rain, so the grass looks pretty good. Plenty of parking, 2-car garage. Here's your neighborhood. Giant cul-de-sac. You could park a lot of cars or visitors here, no problem. That's your neighbor. And once again, that would be your property. And we'll go on inside and see what we can do. The trees really help. Beautiful trees. And once again, spacious lot. I'll see if we can get inside the backyard. Here's a view looking out your garage. And we'll go inside. There's some nice brick pavers. And here's what I need, a nice swing, porch swing. And outside ceiling fan, beautiful front porch, all brick. It's like old Chicago brick. Spacious front porch with fans. And here's your front door. Just one more time looking out your front door like the song says. Or maybe it's your back door. Okay, we'll go inside. All right. You have your upstairs to the left. We'll start down on the main floor. A lot of footage here. You can put anything in here, any type of furniture. Very spacious. I'll spin around and show you the foyer. Hardwood flooring. This would be your main living space. Huge. Light green paint. Bay style windows. A couple different views for you. All right, that's your main living space. And then here we have, this could be a formal dining room or it might make a good office. Does have ceiling fan, double window. That would be facing east, so that's the morning sun coming through. Hardwood floors matching the others. We'll get one more view of here. There's a lot to see in this house. It has kind of a light yellow paint. Here we have our wash area, stackable washer dryer, a nice workstation there with storage, natural light. This goes out to the garage, double car with electric motor. So very spacious. In fact, it's oversized 2-car garage with a back entrance as well. So that makes it convenient. All right, that's your garage. Going back through the dining area or the office. Here's a beautiful kitchen. A bay style window with an entry door going outside. Lots of cabinetry, built-in backsplash, very nice. Microwave, oven, flat top stove, side-by-side slate fridge. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not stainless, it's that slate. No fingerprints. Flat top stove and a microwave. Against the other wall we have the sink. Beautiful storage area. Dishwasher, sink. Just beautiful. And then we have a double pantry here. And then once again your back entry door. I'll get you another view. And I didn't really emphasize the butcher block style. I don't know if you saw that. Countertops are butcher block. And it does have the recessed lighting, so it's very nice. All right, so now we're back in the main living area once again. Went through there and we're going down the hallway. We have our HVAC system here in the hall, air conditioning. Bathroom, tile floor, lots of storage, single lavatory, mirror, lighting, commode in there, and water heater right there, which is electric. And there is a shower here. It's hard to see, but there is a walk-in with glass shower, single window for natural light, and we do have a little pantry area here. All right, that would be bathroom number 1 in the hallway. Go into bedroom, we'll call it number 1, hardwood floor, so far no carpet. Lots of natural light. A double window and a single, and he has a little skateboards, which are kind of interesting. A young person or maybe an old guy like me could do that. Just needs some wheels on skateboards. And then we have your double closet there. So, and you want to check our dimensions. I'd say queen size would fit comfortably here, and do have a ceiling fan. All right, we're walking across the hall to bedroom number 2. It looks like a little bit bigger in size. Still a queen, possibly a king, but I'd stick with a queen. Same scenario with the windows, double window and a single. Lots of natural light, ceiling fan. And a double closet. We'll open one up just to see the depth of it. And it does have some shelving. All right, it does have some shelf space up there as well. All right, moving on. So that was 2 bedrooms downstairs. We did have a little storage area here underneath the stairs, shelving and some other shelving. Good place to have some cleaning products or vacuum perhaps. Okay, we got our wooden staircase. All right, we're going upstairs. And off to the left, we have bedroom number 3. Ceiling fan, blue in color, double window. And a good sized walk-in closet with shelving. That goes into the attic. And lots of shelving there. So this is a really big closet. And that does go into the attic. And there is some storage in there. I don't know if you can see it. A little bit of storage. But it's not heated or cooled. All right. And there's some shelving. Your crawl space. All right. So we'll move on. All right, this is the stairway going downstairs. And we'll go into the next room. You could make it a, wow, it's just a lot of footage here. Wood floor, ceiling fan, double window. And this has access to the bathrooms. So it's called a Jack and Jill. You have access from the bedroom, from both spaces. So this is a huge area. You can make it a media center. It could be a lot of things. Anything you want it to be. Double closets, green in color, very spacious. Could be a media room, homeschool, office, something like that. And then here we have a huge space here. And this one does have like a bamboo style of flooring. And it's very durable, you can tell. So, very unique space, and it does have an auxiliary air conditioning over there, supplemental window unit. You can make this a bedroom, or it could be an office. But it's very spacious, that's for sure. And then we have a little access to the other roof, attic access. So this is just storage. All right. Very unique property. And these stairs go down to the washroom. And we'll go out back in just a minute. I thought I'd give you one more shot. This is the stairway we just talked about coming down to the washroom. That's your workstation, and they really didn't show you there's plenty of extra storage here. So we will go on outside now. Go out through the kitchen. This is a very large house. So there's lots to see. All right. All right, there is a doggy door out here and this rear door. Storm door. And we're going out back. So we got that brick again, which is very nice. Barbecue area. And it's a huge lot. It looks like it has outdoor shower at one time. Maybe they had an above ground pool and there's a shower. Not sure if it's functional, but we could check on that. Huge backyard. Looks like the neighbor may have a pool. We got some activity over there. Beautiful yard, shrubbery. Had a lot of rain, so the grass is nice and thick. And here's the rear of your home. And there is a good sized shed back here. Another view of the home. It's that access door from the garage. That's your shed. Got a nice tall fence behind you, so lots of privacy. And that would be it. Lots of shade, beautiful lot, beautiful neighborhood. I hope you like it.